way to pick up Simon's new boat, which should be cool. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm just going to meet him now. We're going to go and get it. He's had his, he had a little boat, and then I think that was for sale. He never really finished it, but there was a blue boat which was quite nice. He's just sold that, so it's a shame we didn't get any video footage of it. I thought we'd have had a bit more time, maybe have even had it in the water, but that one's gone, which is great because it's funded this new boat now, which is the one that he wanted. So he's been building up to it, and we're going to go and pick it up now, load his trailer up, and take it to where he's going to store it, because we've got a little bit of work to do to it before it goes in the water. So we'll take you with us, see how it goes. Yeah,
that's cool, huh?
Get out. There's all the flaky paint's flying off of it. Stuck on something?
That's not doing nothing. Maybe it's not supposed to be doing it.
You're ringing that?
That's cool, isn't it?
Going inside here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got locks and everything.
This is the first time I've been in it. I bought it like 2 months ago. It's the first time I've seen it in daylight.
Oh yeah.
Stable door.
Top bottom. Got a latch on the inside.
Yeah. Wow, this is just brilliant. Come and have a look around, everybody. Just found a sink. Found some stuff. Got a horn. It's got a sink, mate.
Yeah.
So this is the first time that I've been in it. It's the first time I've seen it in daylight. We got a sink. Why have I got a sink? I don't even understand that.
Well, that's for getting your fish.
Yeah, but I don't know how to peel a fish.
Peel a fish.
Got a screwdriver. Great big lead weights.
Ideal.
Some fishing line.
Yeah, yeah. What's in the box there?
Fishing tackle, I reckon.
Come on, we're all waiting in anticipation. Oh, she seized up.
It's not happening. Here we go.
No treasure in there.
If there's money in it, then we have to go ask. What have we got? Dairy Great floats. I don't know anything about any of that.
Yeah, I do.
got a load of chain. Got an anchor. Well, that's heavy.
Yeah, anchors usually are. They don't float.
What's that?
Pump.
For
Pumping water.
the steer wheel?
I don't know. Water in pump. Water in the flowers. Pump.
Dunno.
Pump. Reebok pumps. You got?
Yeah, I've got a compass, so we don't get lost.
Oh, ideal.
Does,
Stiff steering.
does this have? Do they have power steering? Am I making that
there's
up?
no power steering. It's all cable in it, so some of the cables are probably a bit stiff. Yeah. We'll have to investigate all of that stuff.
Don't understand any of
That's
that.
full throttle lock, so you can just jump out and
Don't know what
tow
that is.
yourself.
What that is? Got a boat hook.
Boat hook, gaff hook thing. Just for gapping your tuna.
Lots of things, isn't there?
Yeah, man. Couple of
Oh, that battery's wired up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ideal.
Just needs a lot of love,
That's what
doesn't
was
it?
snowing at me down the bypass.
She was some wobbly.
Man outstanding in his boat there.
This is where I'm going to sunbathe in my bikini.
No,
Is it?
that's me, somebody.
She's going to sunbathe in the bikini.
Yeah. Oh, that's a bit of a steal for what it is. Bit of work to be
I
done.
think so.
Get it all prepped up, ready for the summer.